there is a lake forming in our backyard. That is the outflow from the neighbors' downspouts and such. And then there is a huge puddle of standing water underneath our weeping willow. And then it forms this nice little river that's running right across in front of our hill, and then it goes down into the neighbors, and they've got a huge lake underneath their weeping willow, plus another part of the creek that keeps running down the hill. Pretty intense. There's a lot of water.
Mommy, when I saw a yucky mucky stream right there,
Yeah.
I was making like a posting, and now the posting, the rain is making...
The rain's coming down so hard it's actually just flying off the roof. It's not even having time to go into the gutters in some spots. Look at that. That is a lot of water.
I just want to jump in it and give you water here.
Okay.
Go in it.